Very good morning, dear students. Students, today we'll start our chapter number 28 of grammar, that is adverbs. What is adverb? An adverb is a word that adds to the meaning of a verb. Adverb is a word that adds to the meaning of a verb. Adverb means add plus verb. Verb के मीनिंग में जो वर्ड कुछ ऐड कर देता है उसे बोलते हैं adverb. Okay. Now, adverb of manner. There are four main types of adverbs: adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverb of frequency. Okay. First of all, adverb of manner. You can say how adverb. Okay. Adverb of manner or how adverb. Same thing. Adverb of manner tells how or in what manner an action is done. Adverb of manner क्या बताता है? How adverb आपको क्या बताता है? Tells how or in what manner कि कोई काम कैसे हुआ. An action is done. Okay, like example is given. The soldiers fought bravely. Fought how? The soldiers fought how? They fought bravely. Mean action कैसे हुआ? Bravely. So bravely is how adverb here. Adverb of manner. Next example is given. The nightingale sang sweetly. Sang how? कैसे उसने गाना गाया? She sang sweetly. So sweetly is a adverb in this sentence. Some more examples. Listen very carefully. Like she ran fast. She ran fast. How she ran? Fast. So in this sentence, fast is an adverb. Adverb of manner. वो कैसे दौड़ी? Fast. Okay. More examples. Monica wrote neatly. Monica wrote neatly. Monica ने कैसे लिखा? Neatly. So neatly is adverb of manner. The dog barked loudly. The dog barked loudly. Dog ने कैसे bark किया? Loudly. So loudly is adverb of manner in this sentence. One more example. The driver drove the car carefully. The driver drove the car carefully. Driver ने कार कैसे चलाई? कैसे drive की? Carefully. So in this sentence, carefully is adverb of manner. Again, I am repeating the definition. An adverb of manner or how adverb tells us how or in what manner an action is done. How adverb या adverb of manner हमें क्या बताता है कि कोई काम कैसे हुआ. Like examples I have given you: fast, carefully, bravely, sweetly, neatly, loudly. These all are the examples of adverb of manner. Next, an adverb of place, or you can say where adverb. An adverb of place or where adverb, same thing. An adverb of place tells where or at what place an action is done. कि कोई भी एक्शन, कोई भी काम कहाँ हुआ है. ओके, आपको प्लेस वर्ड से क्लियर हो रहा होगा कि इसमें प्लेस जो वर्ड शो करता है वो उसे हम बोलते हैं एडवर्ब. An adverb of place or where adverb tells where or at what place an action is done. Examples are given. The meeting was held here. Where the meeting was held? Here. Here word जो है वो place को show कर रहा है यहाँ. Okay. So in this sentence, here is an adverb of place. Second sentence. They went upstairs. Where they went? Upstairs. So upstairs फिर से place को show कर रहा है. So upstairs is also an adverb of place. Some more examples I am giving you. Listen carefully. come in, very simple sentence, come in place को show कर रहा है, अंदर आओ. Come is verb and in is adverb. Okay, so here in is adverb of place. Next example, she took the child outside. Where she took the child? Outside, बाहर. Outside फिर से place को show कर रहा है. So in this sentence, outside is an adverb of place. Next example, they built a house nearby. They built a house nearby. Where they built their house? Nearby, पास में. तो वो भी एक जगह को शो कर रहा है, प्लेस को शो कर रहा है. In this sentence, nearby is an adverb of place. Like, I looked for her everywhere. I looked for her everywhere. मैंने उसे हर जगह ढूंढा. हर जगह, everywhere. फिर से place को शो कर रहा है. So in this sentence, everywhere is an adverb of place. And the last example, I'm going back to school. Where? I'm going back. Back. Back means place को show कर रहा है. Back is here adverb of place. So dear students, here upstairs, in, outside, inside, nearby, back, everywhere. These all are the examples of adverb of place. Okay. Now third one, adverb of time. An adverb of time, or you can say when adverb, tells when or at what time an action is done. कि कोई काम किस टाइम पर हुआ है. ओके. हाउ मीन्स कोई काम कैसे हुआ. वेयर मीन्स वो काम कहाँ हुआ. व्हेन मीन्स किस टाइम पर हुआ. ओके. लाइक examples, 2 examples are given. The guests will arrive soon. When the guest arrive? Soon. Soon mean जल्दी ही. ये वर्ड किस चीज को शो कर रहा है? टाइम को. So this is adverb of time. Next example, it rained yesterday. Yesterday. कल बारिश हुई. Yesterday again. This word is showing time. कि action कब हुआ? बारिश कब हुई? Yesterday. So here yesterday is adverb of time. Some more examples. I will call you later. I will call you later. मैं तुम्हें थोड़ी देर में बुलाऊं. Later. Later फिर से टाइम को शो कर रहा है. So this is adverb of time. I saw this movie last year. Last year. टाइम को शो कर रहा है कि मूवी कब देखी, एक्शन कब हुआ था, ये काम कब हुआ. Last year. So last year is adverb of time. I have to leave now. I have to leave now. मुझे अब जाना पड़ेगा. Now, अब. Okay. Now is again adverb of time. And the last example for that. I saw Harry yesterday. मैंने हैरी को कल देखा था. कब हुआ ये एक्शन? Yesterday. So dear students, yesterday, soon, early, later, last year, last month. Now these all are the examples of adverb of time. Now an adverb of frequency. How often? Okay. Adverb of frequency or how often you can say. Adverb of frequency tells how often or how frequently an action is done. कि कोई काम कितनी बार हुआ. Like he visits us daily. ये एक्शन कब होता है? He visits us daily. वो रोज यहाँ आता है, हमारे पास आता है. So daily is adverb of frequency. Next, she seldom loses her temper. Seldom means कभी कभी. Rarely मतलब you can say कभी कभी, बहुत कम. शी सेल्डम लॉसेस हर टेम्पर, उसे कभी कभी गुस्सा आ जाता है. Sometimes, daily, seldom, these or usually you can say these all that are the examples of adverb of frequency. Like another example I am giving you, he is often late for work. He is often late for work. Often means लगभग, वो अपने काम पे वो लेट हो जाता है. Here often is adverb of frequency. One more example, I usually get up late on Sundays. I usually get up late on Sundays. Sunday को मैं late उठता हूँ. Usually is a adverb of frequency. Okay. Again, I am repeating these definitions. Adverb of manner tells how or in what manner an action is done. Adverb of place tells where or at what place an action is done. An adverb of time tells where or at what time an action is done. And next, an adverb of frequency tells how often or how frequently an action is done. Okay. Next is adverbs of degree. Degree means how much, kitna. Okay. I fully agree with you. मैं पूरी तरह से आपसे agree करता हूँ. Fully. So here, fully is adverb of degree. Second example, the jug is almost full. How much the jug is full? Almost, लगभग पूरा भरा हुआ है. So here almost is adverb of degree. Next, they treated the beggar most cruelly. उन्होंने beggar को, भिखारी को कैसे treat किया? बहुत cruelly, मतलब उसके साथ बहुत गलत behave किया. Here most is adverb of degree. And one more example, it was extremely hot. कितना hot है? Extremely, बहुत ज्यादा. So here extremely is adverb of degree. And like very simple sentence, it is very cold. Here very is adverb of degree. So dear students, fully, most, very, extremely, almost, these all are the examples of adverb of degree. Now, an adverb is a word that adds something to the manner, to the meaning of a verb. Again, the definition of adverb is there. एक ऐसा word जो verb के meaning में कुछ add कर देता है. Add plus verb. Verb में जो add हो जाता है उसे adverb बोलते हैं. Okay. It adds to the meaning of a verb, an adjective sometimes, or another adverb. Sometimes two adverbs are there in a sentence. Okay. Now exercise C I am doing. Then you will participate. Listen very carefully. Pick out the adverbs in the following sentences. Write them in the proper columns. Columns are given below. Write what kind of adverb they are. Also write the verb, adjective or adverb to which they are added. First of all, we have to find out the adverb. In the first example, first sentence, this magazine is published weekly. In this sentence, published is a verb. It's an action word. कब publish होती है ये? Weekly. Okay. So this is adverb of frequency. कितनी बार publish होती है? So weekly is adverb of frequency. This is given already written in the columns given below. Second sentence, treat your elders respectfully. In this sentence, treat is a verb. Treat your elders respectfully. कैसे आप treat करो अपने बड़ों को? Respectfully. मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? कैसे आप treat करो means this is how adverb. और ये किसके meaning में add हो रहा है? It added to the meaning of treat. Verb के साथ ये add हो रहा है. Next, We are waiting for you. Please come inside. We are waiting for you. Please come inside. Inside. क्या है इसमें? Adverb. अंदर. Please come inside. अंदर आ जाओ. In this sentence, inside is adverb of place. Okay. और come के साथ add हो रहा है. Come is verb here. Next sentence, the shopkeeper will come back in a few minutes. Here back again, adverb of place. It added to the verb will come. Helping verb is also there, will come. Okay. Next, fifth one, Ashish went up and met the manager. Ashish went up and met the manager. आशीष ऊपर गया और मैनेजर से मिला. Up प्लेस को शो कर रहा है. अगेन इट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. और किस में ऐड हो रहा है ये? एडेड टू द वर्ब वेंट. वेंट के साथ ऐड हो रहा है ये. नेक्स्ट, द होल वाज ऑलमोस्ट पैक्ड. ऑलमोस्ट किसका एग्जांपल है? एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री. ऑलमोस्ट, एक्सट्रीमली, वेरी, fully, most, these all are the examples of adverbs of degree. Okay. And this added to the verb packed. Was packed. Was is a helping verb in this sentence. Next, the principal arrives at the school early. Early किस चीज को? Principal school में जल्दी पहुंच जाती है. जल्दी. Early means जल्दी. तो early किस चीज को शो कर रहा है? टाइम को. Okay. I brush my teeth twice daily. In this sentence, two adverbs are there. Daily, twice. An adverb of frequency. Twice भी कितनी बार और daily ये दोनों जो हैं frequency को show कर रहे हैं. How often. Okay. Next one. I have read this book before. मैं ये book पहले भी पढ़ चुका हूँ. Again, time को show कर रहा है पहले. Adverb of time. And किसके साथ ये add हो रहा है? Have read. In this sentence, have read is a verb. Last sentence, the old man faced the difficulties courageously. Courageously, you can say bravely. Old man ने difficulties को बहुत bravely face किया. Okay, courageously is a adverb here. Adverb of manner. कैसे face किया उसने? Bravely, courageously. और ये किसके साथ ऐड हो रहा है? Faced. Okay, it added to the verb. It's your turn. We are going to unmute all of you.